Welcome to the Philippines, a country where science and technology are driving change and improving lives. Science and technology in the Philippines didn't grow overnight. It's been decades in the making, starting with the creation of the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, in 1987. This government agency became the backbone of scientific progress in the country, supporting research and development, building new technologies, and empowering Filipino scientists. But even before DOST's establishment, there were pioneers who laid the groundwork. One of them was Dr. Faye Del Mundo, a trailblazing pediatrician who revolutionized child healthcare in the Philippines. She was the first woman admitted to Harvard Medical School and founded the first pediatric hospital in the country. Her work in combating childhood diseases still impacts generations of Filipinos. And then there's Dr. Gavino Trono, known as the father of Philippine seaweed research. His work didn't just contribute to science. It transformed entire coastal communities by helping them grow seaweed. Today, the Philippines is one of the top seaweed producers in the world, thanks to Dr. Trono's efforts. These scientists, along with many others, built a foundation that continues to inspire future generations of Filipino innovators. With DOST's leadership, the Philippines has made significant progress in making science a part of daily life, from classrooms to cutting-edge laboratories. Their goal? To push the boundaries of what's possible and improve the lives of millions. In the Philippines, dengue fever is a major public health concern, especially in rural areas where access to advanced medical facilities can be limited. For years, diagnosing dengue was a lengthy and expensive process, often delaying treatment when it was most urgently needed. But in 2017, Filipino scientists made a significant breakthrough with the Biotech M dengue diagnostic kit. Biotech M is a locally developed diagnostic tool that allows healthcare workers to detect dengue in just 1 hour at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. This rapid response is crucial for preventing severe cases and limiting the spread of the virus. What once took days can now be done in minutes, giving communities a much-needed advantage in the fight against dengue. The real power of Biotech M lies in its accessibility. It's designed to be affordable and easy to use, making it ideal for rural health centers where resources are often stretched thin. Early detection means early treatment, and in many cases, this can be the difference between life and death, especially for children who are most vulnerable to the disease. This innovation represents more than just a technological advance. It's a lifeline for millions of Filipinos. The Biotech M kit is proof of how Filipino ingenuity is meeting the country's healthcare challenges head-on, providing hope and saving lives across the nation. The Philippines is not only innovating on land but also reaching for the stars. In 2016, the country made history with the launch of Diwata-1, our first-ever microsatellite. It was a moment of national pride, showing that Filipino ingenuity could soar to new heights, quite literally. Diwata-1 wasn't just about entering the space race. It was designed with a clear mission to help us back home. The satellite was developed by Filipino engineers in collaboration with universities in Japan, and it was created to gather data that would improve the way we monitor weather, track natural disasters, and manage agriculture. In a country like the Philippines, where typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural disasters are frequent, the role of satellites like Diwata-1 is crucial. It can capture images from space to help map out areas affected by floods or landslides, allowing government agencies to respond more effectively and save lives. But Diwata-1 was just the beginning. Following its success, the Philippines launched Diwata-2 in 2018, with even more advanced capabilities. These efforts represent the country's growing presence in space technology, driven by the passion of young Filipino scientists and engineers who dream big. With each new satellite, the Philippines moves closer to becoming a key player in space exploration. It's proof that even a nation of islands can have an impact far beyond its borders. In the Philippines, the government plays a key role in pushing science and technology forward. At the heart of this effort is the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST. They don't just fund research, they create opportunities, connect Filipino scientists with the world, and make sure that science helps everyone, not just a few. One of the most impactful programs is the Balik Scientist Program. Through this initiative, Filipino scientists working abroad are invited back to the Philippines to share their knowledge. They bring home new ideas, technologies, and innovations that can solve problems here. It's a win for the country and a win for these scientists who get to give back to their roots. Take, for example, the work being done in agriculture and health. Balik scientists have helped develop better farming techniques, improve food security, and find new treatments for diseases that affect millions. These experts have turned the Philippines into a hub of innovation, where global knowledge meets local needs. DOST's programs also extend to education and disaster preparedness. The Philippine Science High School system is grooming the next generation of Filipino scientists, while disaster preparedness tools developed through government support are helping the country respond faster to floods, earthquakes, and typhoons. In a country frequently hit by natural disasters, these innovations are life-saving. The government's commitment to science and technology isn't just about growth. It's about resilience, ensuring that the Philippines is ready to face whatever challenges may come. In the Philippines, innovation isn't just the job of the government or scientists. The private sector has stepped up in a big way, investing in technologies that connect people, improve healthcare, and grow industries. Companies like Globe Telecom, Ayala, and Unilab are leading the charge, showing that businesses can drive progress just as much as anyone else. Take Globe Telecom, for example. Their investments in digital infrastructure have brought faster, more reliable internet to even the most remote areas of the country. In today's world, being connected isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Globe's efforts help farmers access real-time weather data, students learn online, and entrepreneurs run businesses from anywhere. In healthcare, Unilab is making a huge impact by creating affordable, high-quality medicines. They invest heavily in research and development, ensuring that vital medicines reach Filipinos at prices they can afford. Whether it's everyday vitamins or life-saving treatments, Unilab's innovations touch millions of lives. But it's not just telecoms and healthcare. Private tech companies are working on cutting-edge technologies, from artificial intelligence to renewable energy. These innovations are laying the groundwork for a future where the Philippines is not just a consumer of technology, but a leader in creating it. Through partnerships between the private sector and the government, businesses are not only helping the country grow, but also ensuring that science and technology benefit every Filipino. Together, they're shaping a future where innovation leads the way. The next generation of Filipino scientists, engineers, and innovators are ready to take on the world's challenges. Whether it's addressing climate change, improving healthcare, or expanding our digital landscape, programs like the Philippine Science High School and initiatives like the Balik Scientist Program are empowering them to dream big and bring those dreams to life. With every new discovery, every problem solved, and every life changed, the Philippines is moving toward a future powered by science, where innovation lights the way for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.